Welcome to a day in the life of a six-figure business owner. Baby, all 2024, we are speaking things into existence. But right here, I'm just on Shippo, which is a software that I use to print my labels out. And I'm just printing my labels out here. Here is my Munbin thermal printer that I use. You can get it off of Amazon. And I'm just printing my labels off. For this order, she did order the travel sizes, and I did not have any in stock, so I just went on ahead out of courtesy, just gave her the full sizes so that I can get her order shipped out. With our Lock It In bundles, it does come with our Juicy Curls hair pudding, our leave-in conditioner, and it also comes with our hair growth oil, which I did not include a clip of me putting it in this video. But I'm just putting the thank you cards, the Lock It In bundles, putting my custom tape on the box. And yeah, this order is done. On this particular day, I did have a few other orders that I wanted to get out as soon as possible. So right here, I'm just packing those two up before I go ahead and head over to the post office. Shipping out orders is probably like the best part for me. I love packing and shipping you guys' orders out. It is so therapeutic to me. But yeah, once I left the post office, I went to my favorite place in the whole wide world, the Tropical Cafe Smoothie, and I got me the Island Green Smoothie. Y'all, if y'all is not going here for y'all smoothies, then what is y'all doing? But yes, now I'm just making me a list before I go inside of this store. If you know, you know. Make you a list before you go inside of the store, so you won't be going in there just picking everything up that you don't need, sis. But yes, I saw this really neat idea to make a prayer board on Pinterest. And right here, I'm just getting all of the supplies that I need so that I can make that happen. Because 2024, we are not playing around. We are asking God for exactly what we want. We're manifesting and we're putting in the work, period. And of course, I had to get some cough medicine because it's that time of the year. Y'all be safe.